Gotham, do you want to open my box? Hey. I can...
My name is Gotham.
Wait, you can hear him snorting. My little piglet. You pee-pee. Ew, don't do that. Open my box. Dude, finally. Bam! I'll throw a picture of what it's supposed to look like on the car right now. But it's gonna look so sexy on this bitch right here. So we should be good. I parked it like this on purpose so that the car's angled up a little bit. So there's enough clearance to be able to put the jack underneath the car. But then again, we might be able to do it without jacking up both sides. But that's probably the easiest thing to do. I don't know yet, so we'll see what's up. I cannot get over how Victor's car looks. Guys, I'm saying a lip kit. What do you guys think should be the next freaking, what do you guys think the next box should be? Dude, I need to wash my wheels really good. So, bumper's already off. It was actually really easy because I have the clamps on the side and then I just unloosened all the bolts. I didn't even have to lift the car off the floor. So that's pretty cool. As of right now, we're gonna attempt to mount it onto the bumper and then we'll see how it goes from there. It's a pretty good fit. So upside down, all we did is just testing it. No cutting needed. All we're gonna need to do is just drill into it right here. It came with some hardware that I'm gonna look at it. And I also bought some from Home Depot. So I'm not just gonna use a self-tap screw. I'm actually gonna use tape and try to like pretty much keep it in place right there. As of right now, we're just gonna mess with it and see what's the best way to do it. I think it's called Magic Drift, if I'm not mistaken, from eBay. It was like 70 bucks right there. But like I said, this specifically fits with the kit, the HFP kit that comes with the coupes, and there's no cutting necessary. All you need to do is just mount it onto the car and that's it. Test fitting it right now. Dude, that looks so good. Look at that. Victor, you need one. A couple hours later, we actually took a break to go have lunch with Daniel, went to go eat sushi. But I mean, look at the progress this has right now. Looks pretty good. Me and Victor trying to get it as even as we can all around, which we did. Couple trials and errors. The first thing that we did though was we screwed in a hole. We screwed in one right here. Then we screwed in one right here to pretty much line it up, and then pretty much made holes all on the bottom of the lip, which was probably the smarter way to do it. I ended up buying a power drill for like 50 bucks or so at O'Reilly's. Made a huge difference. And the fact that this is compatible with the current tools that I have right now, so instead of torquing something by hand, I can just, it'll be a lot faster. So I'm pretty happy with that. But I mean, looking at how it looks really good. It looks really good. All I'm gonna do is put a little bit more screws on it, and I think we're done. We're gonna put it back on the car. All those extra bolts that I was missing also, I ended up putting it on the car already. So I put a new one right there. This one I can't because it's missing the screw hole. I put two underneath right there on the bottom. And I put a new one right here as well. So like, it should be pretty good now. I'm excited. We're pretty much gonna finish this up and put everything back in the car and see how it looks. Dude, I am sweating so much, but look at that. We evened it out. Looks really good. Victor, you want to tilt it on the back? I put 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on that side. Okay. Right on its underneath it. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The last time I had this on the car, it was a different one, and I had to do some sort of cutting into it. and my dumbass only put 4 screws on. So with this one, I have a lot more, and it looks so good. It looks so good. We're gonna go ahead and put this back on the car now. That looks so good. That looks so good. Oh my God. Well guys, finally got another lip back. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next. Really contemplating on a couple things for this, but I do have some news for you guys, but I'm gonna wait on it until I actually get to see what's going on. If you guys are following my Snapchat and my Instagram, you might get a sneak peek of what's gonna pretty much happen with us, and we'll see what's up. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.